Hey guys, so just going to update us on 2015 day 13, week 3 I believe. I've just placed a sell stop on the Euro JPY, Euro Yen. So the reason why I did this was because there's a pin bar forming there, and it doesn't look like it's formed around this possibly support or resistance line. But going by the way it looks like it's going to be a continuation of the trade that we had maybe a couple of days ago, last week. So I'm expecting it to kind of continue going down, and that I placed a sell stop order there. You can see my stop loss is quite tight, just above the latest pin bar, and my take profit is roughly a 2-for-1 trade. Or risk reward rather. So we'll see how it goes in the next couple of days. Quick analysis around the other currencies. So the euro, US dollar, it doesn't look like there's too much going on. There look like a slight inside bar breakout there, but it doesn't look like there's anything major going on. So this could be a sell or a reversal in the next couple of days. So I just don't know. There's no clear signal for the euro, US dollar for me. The US dollar Swiss, so this continues to go up, so despite that massive pin bar. So I'm still not sure at this point, so we'll just kind of wait till there's a better signal. Great British Pound to the US dollar, so we are still in this trade. We placed a buy based on this pin bar hitting the support line. There does look like some pin bars forming there, so I'm not sure if this was part of a Elliott wave, so we were just at the top of the wave and it might go and reverse on us, or it might continue going up as well. So again, we're still in the trade. I guess we'll just wait and see how it goes. US dollar yen, so this was a sell, I believe. Yes, and we are actually in the profit. So it's still selling. It hasn't quite hit the take profit yet, but you'll see my stop loss isn't too far away anyway, because I based it off this inside bar here and then another inside bar as well. So we'll wait and see how it goes, but I'm not really sure how this one's going to pan out, to be honest. The entrance signals seem to be good at the time, but yeah. This one here I sort of missed, the Australian to the New Zealand dollar. So there was a pin bar there at the drop of that point there. So you can see like a pin bar to pin bar couple of days, and you'll see it's quickly traced back up to this resistance line here. So I'll be looking out to see if there's going to be any sort of price action signal at that point, just to see if we can indicate a buy or a sell at that point. US dollar Canadian, so this continues to rise. I don't have any support or resistance lines up there, so I'm really kind of flying blind. I did miss it earlier, and I think it was maybe towards the end of last year. Yeah, it would have been New Year's Eve when this pin bar showed up here, quite close to this support line here, and it just shot up, and it's been shooting up ever since really, and I haven't really been able to catch it. So it would have been a missed signal anyway. New Zealand US dollar, so we are no longer in this trade, but we did have a trade in there a couple of days ago, and it was a buy, and you can clearly see that it was a good idea to stop that out. I did use a short-term support line, resistance line there, because you can see it from the other where the other pin bars were, and good thing we stopped it out, otherwise we would be making a loss at this point. I'll just speed it up. Australian to US dollar, so we're still in this one. It's a buy. Doesn't look like it's doing too well, but again, we'll give it benefit of the doubt and see how it goes. Euro to Great British Pound, as I mentioned, that this one was a trending market at this point, so we'll be looking for any price action signals at this point to see if we can either do a buy or a sell. Euro JPY I mentioned before, and Great British Pound to the Australian dollar. So we're not in this one, but it does look like a trend reversal is happening, but no clear signals as of yet.